The new air fryer products are here! I'm dying to try them. Let's cook something super tasty. I let you choose which one I start with. This one? Perfect! Let's go for a spiced chicken recipe in the square mold. Add the chicken pieces, your favorite spices and a splash of white wine and cook at 180 degrees in the air fryer for 20 minutes. Best part, no disposable paper needed. Now, let's make the two sides. A rectangular mold, place the cherry tomatoes, add oregano, chili flakes, salt and a drizzle of olive oil. In the other mold, place the potatoes with the peppers, season with salt, paprika and spray with olive oil. And cook at 180 degrees in the air fryer for 20 minutes. And to finish, something sweet in this donut mold. Mash half a banana, add brown sugar, vanilla, egg yolk, yogurt, oil and mix well. Add the flour and baking powder. Finally, add the whipped egg white, fill the mold and bake for 30 minutes at 165 degrees. Record this, it's super clean. This looks amazing. Now, time to try. Super tasty and effortless.